Good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here, wrapping up this week. It's Friday, March 16th. Overnight trades kind of mixed. We had the beans up roughly around 5 cents, the meal market up around $3, oil market's down around 15 points. Corn market's pretty much steady. At the winter wheat's a little bit on the defensive, mainly in the Kansas City. It's down around 7-8 cents. Chicago's down 2, and the Minneapolis wheat's pretty much near the unchanged level. Like I said, we're wrapping up this week. It's been somewhat of a down week for the grains. We've got the winter wheats. They're down in the neighborhood of around 12 cents, 11 cents in the Kansas City, down around 4 in Minneapolis. The corn market's down around 4. Bean market's up around 7-8 cents with the meal market unchanged, and oil market is up around 35 points. And that unchanged level in the meal pretty much had the crushing margins on the defensive this week. They're down around 4 cents, $1.22, $1.23 in the July. Yesterday we had our weekly export sales that came on out. Except for the wheat, everything else remained somewhat on a firm note, especially the corn. An amazing 9-10 weeks of corn business we've been doing here of late. We have been slipping a little bit in the beans, but they still stay respectable. Time going forward, once again, will be with Argentina woes and Brazil's crop. Are we going to continue to do business? We also had a very good, strong crushing margin, or notebook crush report that came out yesterday. But obviously, a big crush gives us more meal and oil supplies. And then we're also seeing some more projections coming out of Argentina, their exchanges. The Rosario Exchange, they lowered their corn and bean production estimates down to 40 million tons of beans and 32 million tons of corn. The Buenos Aires Exchange came out today. They kind of left their numbers unchanged at 42 for beans, 32 for corn, but both of those, beans and corn, by the exchange is well off of last year's pace. After the close, we'll get our commitment of trades report that comes on out. That'll be kind of to be the highlight for Sunday night trade, along with any other external news and/or weather updates. The trade, in our mind, is estimated still modest to sizable net long positions in the corn, beans, and soybean meal, and still net short the soybean oil and the soft red winter wheat here in Chicago. We are a little bit off our highs as far as the winter wheats, corn, beans, and meal go. We haven't been on a rally in the soft red, or in the spring wheat and/or in the soybean oil. Still generally looking for us to come off these highs even more, as we've been talking about all week. Halfway point, try and stabilize, and once again stabilize for the precursor for the quarterly stocks prospective plannings report at the end of the month. So have a good weekend. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.